Did you know that the Telegram messaging app has unique features and functions that you can't find in other apps for communication? These things make the development of Durov and the team exceptional. Thus, you can forget about WhatsApp, Viber, or other messaging apps forever. Today, I will prove it to you by giving 11 unique features that you didn't know about. Let's cut to the chase. So, for starters, only Telegram allows you to create such a simple and common thing as a nickname. Compared to Viber or WhatsApp, where communication with the users can take place only if you know the user's phone number, Telegram allows you to create a username or a nickname and share it with a person without revealing your personal data like a phone number. I believe that's a vital part of our internet security, and Telegram provides it. The next one is chat import. It's so convenient when you have all your chats in one place and you don't have to switch between different apps. The Telegram Messenger provides this feature, allowing you to import chats from other well-known messengers. I'd like to note that besides text data, Pavel Durov's Messenger can import other types of files like videos or photos. This makes it possible to move from one platform to another in just a few clicks. And yes, again, neither Viber or WhatsApp can offer this. Since we're talking about files, here's another reason why Telegram is at the top, while others are just catching up: file collections. Did you know that neither Viber nor WhatsApp, which by the way are still some of the most popular messengers, do not allow you to group files, to send them in a single message? That is, to create a so-called collection. When sending a photo, video, or a document, both WhatsApp and Viber will deliver files separately in each message, which to me is extremely inconvenient. At the same time, when sending multiple files in Telegram, the messenger will automatically group them by 10 in each message. It looks nicer, it's a lot more convenient, and the chat is not cluttered with files. Here's another feature that only Telegram has. I'm talking about comments. Yes, can you imagine? You won't find such a popular means of communication in other messengers. Take Viber, for instance. Yes, there are communities which obviously should have comments, but alas, you can't comment there, which is another strong suit of Telegram. To be honest, if I were you, I would be shocked by now. I mean, when I started to study this topic in detail, I got surprised myself. Next, we're having more features to look at. And now, let me remind you that your engagement is the best incentive to keep making new content for you. So give this video a thumbs up right now. The next feature, which unlike Telegram, other popular messengers don't have, and I'd like to emphasize its usefulness, is scheduled messages. If you don't want to forget to text something important to somebody and send them a message in advance, or create a reminder to yourself in your favorites folder, in Telegram you can just long press send and select this function. A silent message is a similar option. Still, by pressing the send button, Pavel Durov's Messenger allows you to send a message that the other person will get without sound. I've said many times before that this is useful when, for example, you decide to text someone at night. And of course, Viber, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger don't have such an option. Raise to speak and raise to listen. This is another, in my opinion, super convenient function which is not available in other messengers, but it's available in Telegram. Let me remind you how it works. Open a chat and bring the phone to your ear as if taking a phone call. A new voice message will start recording. The same thing will happen after you listen to an audio message from someone. After a special sound, you'll be able to make a voice recording in Telegram. The only thing you should keep in mind is that if this feature is not available, it means you should turn it on. On iOS, tap 10 times in a row on settings icon and enable raise to speak, while on Android, go to settings, select chat settings, and at the bottom enable raise to speak ability. Give this video a thumbs up if you also find this one handy. Next feature, which is not available in other messengers, is creating new themes. Telegram allows you to take the fullest possible approach to the design of the app by creating your own themes. You can choose colors, message bubbles, and add animated backgrounds. Other messengers offer some scarce options to choose from, but you cannot stand out with some unique design there. And that's not even mentioning Telegram's enormous differences in the area of voice and video group calls. Yes, you can say that they are also available in Viber and WhatsApp, but just look at what Telegram has and what other messengers don't. Join requests, raise your hand to speak, recording the calls, invite links, giving name to a conference, scheduling, adjusting volume of participants, and noise cancellation options. These would be enough to realize Telegram is superior here. If you're still watching this video, you've already understood that Pavel Durov's Messenger is the best development for communication. And it's here on my channel that I cover all Telegram-related topics. Are you new to the channel? Then subscribe and ring the bell right now. You would agree that chatting should be convenient. And here comes a flexible message search, which, forgive me if I repeat myself, is available on Telegram and not available in other messaging apps. Almost every messenger has a search by word. In Viber, by the way, I didn't find it, but at the same time, Telegram offers searching not only by word, but also by hashtags, by file names, by preview text, and filter messages by date, which is important, and by sender. And the last but not least are animated emojis. These big, extra smooth and very cool emoticons you can only find in Telegram. Plus, some of them are interactive. That is, by clicking on a big emoji, you'll see effects on the screen. It's a little thing, but chatting becomes more fascinating and fun. Share in the comments if I didn't mention some of the advantages in this video, and let me know what you think is the main uniqueness of Pavel Durov's creation. Looking forward to your comments. And that's all I have. It's the Teleblog channel. Subscribe and use the best messenger in the world.